Good morning. Anmol classes welcomes you. So this is the assignment second of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad JNTUH School of Continuing and Distance Education certificate course in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So in assignment 2, there are total 8 questions. We will see one by one. So the first question is Python program to add 2 numbers. So here it is given that given 2 numbers num1 and num2, the task is to write a Python program to find the addition of these 2 numbers. So example, it has given input num1 is equal to 5, num2 is equal to 3, output will be 8. Similarly, if the input is num1 is equal to 13, num2 is equal to 6, then output should be 19. So 2 examples are given, and we'll try to first write the program and then we'll go for executing it. Let us see the program. Hash assignment to question number 1, Python program to add 2 numbers. So hash means after hash whatever we are writing, it will be the part of comment only. It is not used for the execution. So this is just for understanding of the user. So we are writing num1 is equal to int. Int means integer, input num1. So here num1 means we are knowing that num1 is integer and it is putting input. So it will be asking the user to give the input. So what is the value of num1? It is the user will be entering the value of num1. Okay, num2 is equal to int, input num2. Similarly, for second number, it is the user. Actually, your num1 and num2 is user defined. It is the user who will be entering the input. Then it is telling sum is equal to num1 plus num2. So num1 and num2, it is entered by the user. Then it is added up, and that is the sum. And finally, print. Then you are having say this colon, comma, sum. Means what is the value that is there in the sum, that will be entered in the print, in the output. Okay, now let us try to execute this program. So this is your Spider Python 3.9. As you are knowing that this is the open source. So here we are writing our code. So Spider editor, here we are writing the code. The input we can enter in the console, and in console we'll be seeing the output also. Suppose if there are some plot or some variable is there, that we'll be seeing in this area. So we have written the our code here, the same. Num1 is equal to integer input num1, num2 is equal to integer input num2, sum is equal to num1 plus num2, print colon, then sum. So here we are going for a run file. When we are going for the run file, here it is asking num1. So here it is asking that what is the value of your num1 you want to give. So we are putting it 5. Then it is asking the value of num2. So let us assume that we are giving 3 as num2. So here it is telling that sum we are getting it 8. 8 here it is telling. Here if you are seeing that variable explorer, here you see that num1, num2 and sum, all these are of integer, and size is there 1, and value it is given 5, 3 and 8. Similarly, let us try to execute with another number. Now if we are going for entering it, here it is saying num1. So what we will be doing, let us assume give 13 as num1 and it is asking num2. So let us give 6 as num2. So you are seeing that you are getting the 19 as the answer. So here in the variable explorer, if you are seeing that num1, it is integer, size is 1 and value we have given 13. Num2 is integer, size is 1 and value we have given 6. So what we are getting in the sum is the integer, size is 1 and there we are getting 19. So in this way, this program is executed.